Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're getting an error in Bitlocker that says this device cannot use a trusted platform module. Your administrator must set the allow Bitlocker without a compatible TPM option and require additional authentication at startup policy for OS volumes. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. We know what we need to do, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And start by opening up the start menu. Type in group policy. Best match should come back with edit group policy. Go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to expand the computer configuration section, so we're going to ignore user configuration, so you can just collapse the selection by selecting a little downward facing arrow. So we want to direct our attention, like I said, underneath computer configuration, and you want to expand the administrative templates folder. Double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand that drop down. Now you want to look for a folder that says Windows Components. Again, do the same thing you did to expand the administrative templates folder. Whatever your preferred method is fine with me. Now you want to locate the Bitlocker drive encryption folder, expand that, and now there should be an operating system drives folder. Left click on that one time, and now on the right side you want to locate something that says require additional authentication at startup. Double click on that. You want to set this to enabled, so just go ahead and select that option, and this should be check marked in here as well where it says allow Bitlocker without a compatible TPM. So go ahead and select apply and OK. With it just closing out of here, restart your computer, and Bitlocker protection should be able to become re-enabled or enabled on your operating system drive without any further problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.